Predstavljanje Vrnjačke specijalne bolnice Merkur u Stokholmu, organizovano od strane Švedsko-srpskog poslovnog saveta i ambasade Srbije u Stokholmu polovinom marta, zagolicalo je švedske medije, a prvi zvanični korak napravio je Martin Ahlberg, turistički novinar, vlasnik agencije za PR i marketing u oblasti turizma sa dugogodišnjim iskustvom, koji je već u aprilu u terminu inače tradicionalno rezervisanom za odmor u Tunisu sa svojom suprugom doputovao u Vrnjačku Banju. I što je najvažnije, nisu se pokajali. Daleko od toga.
I'm first time here, but second time in Serbia. I have been to Belgrade before, and the first impression is so good. So we had to see more than Belgrade, and we came here and found a paradise here. So when you work with travel and tourism and find this kind of natural place, this is no Disneyland, this is no Legoland, this is close to real life. This is fantastic for us.
These are beautiful words. Eva, your impressions?
My impressions, I'm the first time in Serbia. Martin was talking a lot about his trip to Belgrade 1 year ago, and then we decided to come, both of us. So we first spent 2 days in Belgrade with the hectic life there, and then we came here to relax.
Bračni par Ahlberg došao je u Merkur sa namerom da uživa u relaks sadržajima spa centra, ali su ubrzo otkrili i brojne druge mogućnosti. Pre svega da prekontrolišu svoje zdravlje kroz specijalističke usluge medicinskih kabineta i to, kako sami navode, u izuzetno kratkom vremenskom roku.
We came just to use the spa center's facilities, but then we have been to doctors. Martin has been to 3 doctors today, and I think totally we have been visiting a doctor every day. And we thought we were sane persons, but now we know we need to take some more medicines. And that will mean we have to come here after 6 months again to make a check.
Of course we will come back. If there is paradise on earth, we are close to paradise or maybe in paradise. Everything is so fantastic, and I think the key word is your hospitality, and this is close to real life. And then when you combine it with your food, your wines, your price level, you have everything we want. So for sure we will be back. We didn't know that it's possible, because in our part of the world you have either wellness or medical, but you combine it in a super way. So for us, and I think we are in the target group. We are in that age that I think Eva and we are quite normal becoming customers for Vrnjačka Banja and for Serbia also. So no, this is perfect for us.
Pored pohvala povodom nesvakidašnjeg spoja wellnessa i medicinskih usluga i okruženje i ono što ostavlja poseban utisak, videli su planine, bili u manastirima, posjetili vinograde i vinarije. Klima je, kažu, posebna priča, a aprilsko sunce ih je posebno impresioniralo. Sve to u kombinaciji sa spa centrom Rimski izvor podmladilo ih je, kako kažu, za celih 10 godina.
We have been enjoying every second of this, and when you come here, you see the building. It's a very special, it's a beautiful building in one of the most beautiful parks we have seen. And then you can come inside and see this everything. So it's...
we have been here very early every morning to enjoy every possible moment. We have been in the pool, we have been in the saunas and so on, getting massage, getting different treatments.
And we have been here approximately 4 hours per day. So I think that is a sign that we really enjoy it. So.
Istovremeno ovaj par otkrio je blagodeti mineralne vode kroz usluge Merkurove balneologije.
Before I came here, I thought that water is water. Now I know that there are many types of water. So we have tried it. We have been on water diet also 3 times a day. We go to the spring to take our water. And the water must be very special, because I have a silver bracelet here, and now it has become gold. So even silver becomes gold in this town, and that is not bad at all.
Gosti iz Švedske tvrde i da im specijaliteti srpske nacionalne kuhinje izuzetno prijaju, da je sve kvalitetno i još bolje u kombinaciji sa našim vinima i lokalnim pivom, dobrom uslugom, odnosno da su svi apetiti ovo dvoje svetskih putnika apsolutno zadovoljeni, o čemu će Martin izvestiti švedske medije, odnosno tamošnju javnost.
We want to go to Kafana and so you have a very good life and the town is different, the country is little different, and why do you travel? You travel to experience different things, and the difference here is very, very positive.